Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our premier King Ocean View room at the Hilton Barbados Resort, so let's take a look. It's a beautiful hotel right on the beach. Come into the room, you can see it's a beautiful, nice big room with a great big king-size bed. Very nice. And big night tables on both sides of the bed, with US and USB plugs and reading lights next to the bed. And you've got drawers in the night table and shelves, so storage. Got an adjoining door right here and a beverage station. So you got a little coffee machine, so you can have coffee in your room or tea. And got a mini fridge, so you can keep your food or beverages cold, which is very nice. And then coming over here, we've got a beautiful big flat screen TV and a lovely credenza with more drawers for more storage space. A beautiful desk, nice big desk. And another comfortable chair with a big ottoman. Almost looks like a day bed. And another great big night table with more plugs, US and USB plugs, and another reading light, which you can move around and turn off, of course. And the best part of the room is this balcony with a direct ocean view, which we'll look at more tomorrow when it's light outside. So when we arrived last night, it was dark, and we woke up this morning to this gorgeous view. This is obviously one of the best features of the room. Now, this gorgeous view of the ocean and the beach right there. All the amazing shades of blue and the sapphire blue water right there. And there's the beach chairs downstairs and the beach bar and one of the pools and a lighthouse. So just a gorgeous view. You can hear the ocean in the background. And we have this lovely private balcony, nice large private balcony with 2 chairs and a coffee table. So you can imagine yourself out here on your private balcony, enjoying the beverage of your choice as you watch the gorgeous ocean lapping up on the shore. But coming back over by the door, got this great big full-length mirror, which is very nice. You've got a nice closet here, lovely closet, with shelves for more storage space, a safe for your valuables, a nice hanging space, and ironing board, and a luggage rack. And then opposite the closet is, last but not least, the bathroom, with a single vanity, a nice big soaking tub, and this window or blind opens if you want to enjoy the view while you're taking your bath. And got a backlit mirror and a makeup mirror, the facilities of course, and a nice big walk-in shower. So with a regular shower head and amenities of course. So beautiful, nice big walk-in shower in addition to the nice big soaking tub. So just a lovely premier king bed ocean view room at the Hilton Barbados Resort. So when you're ready to book your next small ship cruise out of Barbados, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!